Okay, for dispatch, gates open, they're up and racing. We have entry number 7, and that's Karab. Shows alertness at the start. Banknet is right behind in second. Then moving up is Quick Play. Madam Composita is on the outside foot. Devil Rising running by the rail, Cool Reception. Then comes entry number 10, Ravishing Rapi and Simple Beauty. Heading towards the last 600. Now we have Madam Composita moves up to take the lead. Gold Asian pass approaching on the outside and now catching the lead. Past the last 600 and going to the final 450. Gold Asian, followed by Madam Composita in second. Devil Rising now running in third as they turn for home. Gold Asian by about 4 lengths. Madam Composita is still in second, moving up on the outside. Devil Rising, Simple Beauty running by the rail, Cool Reception. With the last 100 meters more to run. Gold Asian by about 7 lengths, and finally Gold Asian, Cool Reception, Madam Composita, Simple Beauty, and Devil Rising for your Pentapecta.
All right, by